here we are. Still on the way. She's going to start the triple bypass here. Leaving a hotel.
Hey.
I was looking for you.
And? Whew.
I'm exhausted.
Gonna make it?
I've done this one before, and it's a killer. I know I can make it to the sign that says next 7 miles, twist, steep grades and sharp turns. I know I can make it there. If I can make it to Echo Lake, I can make it on my own. I'm just not sure if I can make it to Echo Lake. Are you allowed to go up the road?
I think so.
Okay, so there are a lot of turnouts.
Yeah.
If you went up,
There's a wooden bike at the triple, made out of bamboo. Saddle. I get a pic. Here we are, Idaho Springs Rest Stop. And look at the clouds.
Serious cycling in the rain. Where'd she go?